Welcome back to my channel guys. I am Snehal and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and beauty. So today's video is my first lockdown haul video and I am going to do a Nykaa haul. I think 2 weeks back Nykaa started delivering their products all over India except for the containment zones, and my area happened to be out of the containment zone by then, because if you are my regular follower, I had posted a vlog on lockdown and containment zone area, because there was a coronavirus patient around our area and our whole area was sealed. So if you want to check that vlog, you can check it out. So yeah, Nykaa started their deliveries and I wanted to stock up my necessities. Okay, first thing first guys, I am not promoting any online shopping through this video. I am only saying that if you really want to take something essential which you are not finding locally, so you can go ahead and purchase from online stores, but with all the safety precautions, and you have to sanitize the packaging, you have to keep minimum contact with that person and keep a safe distance and sanitize and keep the package isolated for some time. So I have ordered few essentials that I was running out of, or I actually needed because they were over, and these are my all-time favorites that I'm going to show you guys. So this is kind of my favorite skincare and makeup video also, you can say. And I have always been reaching out to these products, and as soon as the Nykaa started delivering in my area, I immediately restocked these products. So even when you're ordering from Nykaa, I suggest you guys that you should sanitize. They are taking all the safety measures, but on our part we should also do our part. So we also have to sanitize the product when it comes to us and keep it isolated for at least 48 hours. So same I have done with my order. So it has been a while since I have received these products, so I had kept it isolated for past 3 days, and that's the reason I'm making this haul a little later. So that was a really long intro, so let's just get started and let's dive into the video. So the first product that I have ordered is the most essential product in today's time, and that is the hand wash. This is by the Dove, and this is the Dove Nourishing Hand Wash Cucumber and Green Tea Scent. So previously I was using a Dettol hand wash and it was making my hands a little dry because of the frequency we are using hand wash nowadays. So I thought of going for a moisturizing hand wash, and what better than Dove for going for a moisturizing hand wash. So I really like this one. It smells amazing and it doesn't dry out your hands, so you can definitely give this a try. They also have this in the shea butter and vanilla variant, so you can try that also if you like that fragrance. So do give it a try. The next product is also by the Dove. This is their body wash. It is purely pampering nourishing body wash, and it is with shea butter and warm vanilla. It looks like this, and this is heavenly guys. This smells amazing and it keeps your body so smooth and supple. I just always reach out for this one and the Pierce one. These two are my most favorite, so immediately I restocked on this one because my Pierce one was over, so I restocked on this one. Then next I have ordered these two products from Wow Science. This is their red onion black seed oil hair conditioner and shampoo. So it looks like this, the packaging. I'll just open it for you and show it to you guys. I have heard really good reviews about this brand, but I have never used the products of these brands, and this is made in India product, so I really wanted to give it a try. I always use Tresemme for my hair and I like that, but I wanted to give it I wanted to give a try to a Indian brand, so I had heard really good reviews about this. See the packaging, it's really nice, and it's nice and travel friendly packaging. It comes in a plastic bottle like this with a pump, so it is very easy to use. And let's see, I am going to review this product after a few days usage, so I'm gonna be back with the review on this one, a detailed review on this one. Then next one is these micellar cleansing wipes by Simple. You all already know, if you are my regular follower, how much I love this product and how I can't live without this particular product, because this is like my lifesaver, and I always reach out for this one when it comes to removing makeup. It removes your makeup with just one swipe, and I have already made a detailed video on this one, the review of this product, so I'm going to link it in the description box down below so you can check it out. This is a must have for all the makeup junkies. The next product is this face wash by Simple. This is the refreshing facial wash. This is for the sensitive skin. Guys, this is a miracle product and everyone should give it a try, I feel, because it doesn't break out your skin at all. I mean, whether you're oily skin, your dry skin, your normal skin type, combination skin type, this will go for every skin type, and it doesn't give you any side effects or any irritation, rashes on skin or any breakouts. This product is so gentle on your skin. I mean, whatever skin type you are, this is going to suit all skin types. And the best part is this product doesn't have any parabens, any artificial colors or perfumes or any harsh chemicals. This product doesn't contain any of this. So this is a very nice product. I highly recommend it, guys. The next product is again by Simple. I love Simple as a brand. I love all their products and they are so amazing for sensitive skin. So this is the Replenishing Rich Moisturizer, and what to say about this product now? I am in love with this. It is the best moisturizer I have ever used, and it has not given me any breakouts, any rashes. It has been so gentle on my skin and it has made my skin so plumped. So I really love this. I always reach out for this one. Even when I'm doing makeup, I use this moisturizer as a base before doing the makeup, and it acts amazingly as a base before doing makeup. So I had just finished one bottle, and just in time Nykaa started delivering this product, because I don't get this product in my area. So I wanted this product so badly, and I'm so thankful that Nykaa actually started delivering. So I immediately restocked this product. This is my third bottle and I just love this moisturizer. Then I have ordered few sheet masks. Of course, this is an essential one during this time, because we all are at home and we are not going to any salons or parlors or anywhere. So it's important to pamper your skin and take that extra care of your skin when you are at home. So this is the best way to do it, to pamper your skin. So these are by Innisfree. These are my all-time favorite masks. I had ordered more and I have used them. So this is the hyaluronic acid one. This one is the pomegranate, and this one is the oatmeal. I love these. I love all the Innisfree masks. The vitamin C is good, the rice water one is good, the rose one is good, lemon. There are lots and lots of it. You can give it a try. I really like these masks, and these are a must-have for me. Then next I have ordered this super cute nail paint remover from Nykaa. This is in dual tone. You can see pink and purple. I love this. I found it very cute. I mean, it's just a normal nail paint remover, but I really found this bottle very cute, and this whole idea of the dual tone very cute. Then I have ordered few nail paints from Nykaa. I'll just show you one there. So these ones, I love their pastel shades, and they are so amazing. I mean, see, I have already applied this one, this blue color, and it looks really amazing. And I have ordered one from K Beauty as well. I wanted to try their nail paint, so I ordered one from K Beauty, and this one is also good, but I found it a little pricey as compared to the Nykaa one. The quality is almost the same of both the things, so you can go for the Nykaa instead of spending on this one. By the way, for your information, Nykaa and K Beauty both are Indian brands, so you can splurge on their makeup and skincare. Then next I have ordered this brow pencil by Nykaa again. I'm telling you, I'm ordering a lot of stuff from, like Indian brands and made in India products. So I was using the Miss Claire one, and that actually is broken now, and it was almost over. So as it is, wanted to take a new eyebrow pencil, so I thought of going for an Indian brand. So Nykaa is one of the best among the Indian brands in makeup, so I thought of ordering their pencil. So it is like a retractable one. Okay, so it's like this. It's a retractable one, and it comes with a spoolie. Pencil, if you have to sharpen it, it is a headache. So I purposely, ordered a retractable one this time, and it's really nice. I just feel that this shade is a little lighter for me. This is in the shade, where is the shade written? Wicken Wand. It's in the shade Wicken Wand. I think I should go for a shade darker than this one. If you are looking for the same one, go for a shade darker if you are my skin tone. So the last product is this concealer by LA Girl. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. I just can't live without this concealer, guys. My previous one was over and I really wanted this one. Again, this I don't get in my area, so I had to order it from Nykaa. So I restocked it immediately when the Nykaa started delivering. So with that, we come to an end of this video, guys. I hope you liked watching this video. I'm going to mention everything in the description box down below, so do check my description box for that. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, and hit the like button. And I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.